Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Last night, Appa had a BBQ session with my wife's friend. So I have some bacon leftovers. So today I try to use my bacon. I use one piece of leftover bacon to make a bit of soup just now. And this is some few pieces of bacon here. I cut into strips. I'm going to make bacon fried rice. So I have one soup, I have one fried rice. Good enough for a simple dinner at home. All right, then let's look at the other ingredient. I have about 2 cups of pre-cooked rice. I requested my mother-in-law to pre-cook this rice about 2-3 hours ago. Then I have some spring onion and I have 2 pieces of egg. Now, some of you might be thinking, how come 2 pieces of egg but 3 egg yolk? This is actually coming out from 1 egg yolk. This 2 cute little thing. Really, really cute, isn't it? There's actually only 2 eggs here, but it's got 3. 3 egg yolk. Could be a twin though. First of all, we have some bacon. So let's saute the bacon first. It has a lot of pork fat, yeah? Let's render out some pork fat here. We can make use of the pork fat. Where is the... Saute this for a minute or 2. This is after about 1-2 minutes. Not much pork fat has been rendered out. It doesn't matter, but you can see it has already charred. Wow, super fragrant right now. Very, very aromatic. Now I'm going to set this aside. We do have some pork fat here. And I'm going to add in, give it a little bit of light vegetable oil here. And I'm putting the egg. This is the egg you saw just now. I actually add a little bit of seasoning with a little bit of light soy sauce and white pepper. While it is like half cooked like this is the time where we can actually put in the pre-cooked rice. Oh, looking at the amount of the rice, I think I could use a bit more bacon. It's okay lah. It doesn't look a lot inside the bowl, but now it looks a lot. My mother-in-law just told me this is not 2 cups, this is 2.5 cups. More than I expected. So you want to, what you are trying to do right now is to make the rice into individual grain, yeah? You want to separate them. Okay. Keep the fire as at least medium high, yeah? Now that we have separated the rice, we can now give it some seasoning. Give it some light soy sauce. Some fine salt. For those who have my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, add it in right now. Few dashes of white pepper, our bacon, and fry up. Mix everything nicely together. Wow, super fragrant. I can smell the soya sauce, the bacon, and the egg. Super fragrant right now. Almost done. Just right before serving, I'm going to give it some garlic oil, or you can use sesame oil, optional if you ask me. Then sprinkle a good amount of greens. I'm using spring onion today. Then a very yummy bacon fried rice is ready. See how simple it is. Alright, ready to be served. Right, so here's our very simple bacon fried rice. If you want, if you like it, do share my video on from your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.